welcome back. My name is Avril, and if you're new to my channel, I upload a video every Friday, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Hi guys, thank you for joining. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you yet another IKEA hack. So stick around to see how I transformed an IKEA plant stand into something unique and beautiful. Want to know how it's done? Stay tuned. I started off this project by gathering all the supplies I needed for it. Afterwards, here you see me filling up the tub with a 2-in-1 sand and cement mix which I got from my local hardware store. I filled the tub with the cement mix till I got the desired thickness I was after. Then I gradually added water, mixing it to a smooth paste. The desired consistency should be a thick and gooey paste. Now the cement mix is ready for its next step. Once the cement mix is being poured into the tub, it's always better to wiggle it around and give it a tap. Here I'm using a rolling pin to tap around the tub to release all the air bubbles. Now the tub is ready with the cement mix to place the plant stand. Here I'm using an IKEA plant stand which I got in hand. I placed it to the center of the tub and gave it a bit of a wiggle. Afterwards, I used my spirit level to make sure it is centered. Now it's ready to set aside to dry. 48 hours later, it's dry and ready to be taken off. Let's see how it turned out. Here you see me trying to pull it out, but it was quite heavy. It came out perfectly, but now it's time to dress it up. Here I'm using a 240 grit fine sandpaper to give it a slight sanding. I sanded this plant stand on both sides. Once I was done sanding, I wiped it down clean and prepped it for a coat of paint. For this project, I decided to use the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the color linen white. When it comes to painting, I always prefer to start bottoms up. I use this technique always because it gives me a clean finished product. I gave this concrete base a generous coat of paint and set it aside to dry for its next step. Once it was dry, I used the fine grit sandpaper and gave the base a slight sanding. Afterwards, I decided to use a Rust-Oleum glaze to give this base a rustic look. Here you see me using a rag to apply the glaze generously onto the concrete base. Once I finished applying the glaze, I wanted to give it a distressed look. So I decided to try the wet distress method. All I did was take a damp cloth and wiped off certain parts of the base until I got my desired look. It was that easy and I enjoyed trying this new method. So here's how the IKEA plant stand turned out. This plant stand has two purposes and I love how versatile it is. I hope you all enjoyed doing this project as much as I did. Please do leave a comment and let me know what you think about it. Okay guys, hope you got inspired and enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to support my channel. Until next time, happy crafting!